0 o'clock. Hey everyone, Kevin here. Today we're breaking down the 5 best AI video generators in 2025, the most realistic tools for turning simple text into polished, professional videos. Many of these options are free to try, so you can follow along and test them yourself. This video is made in partnership with Zapier. Let's jump in. First up is Synthesia. 025. Synthesia is a powerful AI video generator that creates videos with realistic AI avatars and voiceovers in 140+ languages. There's a free plan to test the experience. You get 3 minutes of video generation per month. It isn't a lot, but it's enough to see if you want to upgrade to the starter plan at $18 a month. 052. On the free plan, you get 9 AI avatars. Paid plans unlock more generation time and a much larger avatar library. After sign-up, you'll land in the main Synthesia workspace. Building an AI avatar video here feels a lot like assembling a PowerPoint. You can start from a template or from scratch. 112. You can also turn files and links into a video, dub existing videos, translate a video into another language, and even convert a PowerPoint into a video. For this demo, let's start with a blank canvas. 135. You'll see a gallery of templates featuring AI avatars. All avatars are customizable, and you control exactly what they say. I'll pick a new template and click Use Template. 154. This opens the editor for building your AI avatar video. On the left, you can add scenes, just like adding slides. In the main scene, you can click and edit any object, text, shapes, and more. Up top, you can add another avatar, text, shapes, media, or even record your screen. 215. Selecting any object shows its properties on the right. If I click the avatar, I can swap to a different one, say Alex, and preview all available options. On the free plan, some choices are locked, but you still get a clear sense of what's possible. I'll stick with Alex and adjust any other properties I need. 235. At the bottom, you'll see the talk track, the script your avatar will deliver in this scene. I'll delete the placeholder text and type, "Welcome to the Kevin Cookie Company." 256. From the top bar, I can preview the spoken line or generate the full scene so the avatar actually speaks the text. Let's get that queued up and ready. 316. Let's now take this to the next level by automating video creation using Synthesia. Zapier connects Synthesia to thousands of apps. You can get started with Zapier for free at the link below. You can set it up so when you get a new lead in an app like HubSpot, Zapier detects this and then triggers Synthesia to generate a personalized video. 346. Then Zapier can connect to your email and automatically send this video to the lead. The lead gets a customized video from you without needing your involvement. This isn't something that you could do with just HubSpot or just Synthesia. It's the connection that Zapier makes between all of these different apps. With Zapier, you can connect apps like Synthesia to Trello, ClickUp, Google Sheets, Monday, 413.com, and thousands more, even if the apps weren't designed to speak with one another. Zapier lets you set up these automations just by describing what you need. No coding needed. At number 2, we have Sora. This is OpenAI's video generation tool. You'll need a premium subscription starting at $20 per month to be able to use it. Once you finish signing up, you'll land here in the main Sora interface. 441. Sora is a generative AI tool. What that means is it's generating new video based on all of its training data. Over on the left-hand side, we land in the featured view, and here we can see all sorts of different videos that other Sora users have pulled together. Over on the right-hand side, I see one of a mouse with some interesting ears. 502. If I'm curious about what type of prompt someone typed in to get this video clip, here I could click on it. This opens up a larger view of that video, and down at the bottom, I can see the prompt. Maybe that serves as some inspiration. I'll close out of this view. Back on the main screen, we have what's called the composer, and this is where you can describe the video that you would like Sora to make. 520. I'll type in a description, a warm and cozy Kevin Cookie Company shop filled with freshly baked cookies. Down below, we have a few different options. Over here, you can upload an image if you'd like to incorporate that into the video. You could also set the style of your video, the aspect ratio, the resolution, also the length of the clip. 542. With the $20 per month plan, you can only generate up to 10 seconds, and you need a higher plan if you would like additional time. Over here, you could also select the number of variations. I'll stick with 2, and then you also have a storyboard option if you would like more control over what happens within the generated clip. For now, I'm good with just this prompt. So over here, let's send that to Sora, 603. And once it's all done, you can preview how the clips turned out and look at all of that steam coming out of the cookies. You might want to wait a minute or two before you take a bite. At the very bottom, you have a few different options. You could go back, you could edit the prompt again, you could also recut it. Maybe you want to extend the clip. Here, you could remix it if you want to change anything that appears within the clip. 623. For example, maybe instead of having these jars, I want a different shape to show up. You could also blend two different clips together, and here you could set it up as a looping clip. Let's say you really like one of these clips, and you'd like to download it. Here, I could simply click on the clip, and right up on top, we have the option to download. Third on our list is InVideo AI V3, 643. This is a generative AI tool that creates full-length videos rather than short clips like Sora. InVideo offers a variety of different plans, and you can get started for free, and you get a generous 10 minutes per week of AI generation. So, what does that mean? You can type in a prompt for the video that you would like to create. It'll write a script, generate voiceovers, and also find matching stock media. However, it won't generate any new clips from scratch using AI. 712. For that, you need one of the premium plans. You have the Plus plan and the Max plan, which give you 60 seconds of generative credits. That's not very much. So if you're planning on creating lots of clips from scratch using AI, you'll have to go with the generative plan, which starts at $96 per month. And that gives you 15 minutes of generative credits. 734. I'm now here in the main interface, and we have a text field where you can type in your prompts for the video that you would like to create. Now, the beautiful thing is, you can type in anything that you've ever imagined, and using generative AI in video will make it for you. So, it makes video creation accessible to anyone. Let's test this out. Create a 30-second ad video for YouTube promoting the Kevin Cookie Company. 755. Use a friendly teddy bear as the mascot. Use wide cinematic shots and close-ups of chocolate chip cookies from time to time. Let's see what it comes back with. On this next screen, we can choose whether we want to use stock media or generative media. Again, with generative media, the AI is creating the video clips from scratch. We have a few different settings here. 8, 14. I think all these look good, so let's continue. It finished generating the video. Let's now preview how it turned out. In a world of rushing and noise, there's a place where warmth awaits. Meet our cuddly bear who knows the best moments are shared. With finest ingredients and a dash of magic, we bake cookies that bring people together. Kevin Cookie Company, where every bite tells a story. Visit kevincookie.com and taste the love today. That is very impressive. 842. I really liked how it turned out. Down below, we could also continue refining the video simply by using natural language, and the AI will make changes. So, let's test this out. Use epic rock music as the background music, and let's see if it can make that change. Let's have a quick listen. I'll go back just a little bit, and let's play it. Visit Kevin Cookie Company. 905. Come and taste the love today. It's subtle, but I like it. Once you're ready to download, simply click on the download icon. Here, you could select various settings. I'll go with 1080p, and let's continue, and we now have a finalized video. At number 4, we have Pika, an accessible and also fun AI video tool that's free to try. 927. Once you finish signing up for an account, you'll land here on the main Pika interface. Similar to what we saw with Sora and some of the other video generators, down at the very bottom, we have a text field where you can type in a prompt describing the video that you would like to create. In the bottom right-hand corner, if you click on this icon, Pika offers a few different models. With a free account, you can use the 1.5 model, $9.49. With a paid account, which starts at $8 per month, you get access to their more advanced models, which they say have better motion and Pika scene support. So, let's go with 1.5 with a free account to test it out. Underneath the text field, Pika offers a few different modes. For example, we have something called Pick Effect, and when I click on that, you can upload a video or photo, and then you can apply different effects to that video. For example, one of my favorites, 1018. You can generate a proposal video. Try pulling that one on your girlfriend. That'd be a lot of fun. Over here, you have something called Pika Scene. This is where you can upload a character, an object, or location, and it'll use that as part of your AI-generated video. And lastly, there's also something called Pick Edition. You can upload a video and a photo. and it'll incorporate that photo into your video. 1041. Let's test this one out because I think it's a lot of fun. Let me select a video, and over here, I'll select an image. Now that I've selected both a video and an image, let's combine them. Down below, let's click on this icon. And let's now play the video. Not bad. Next up is Runway ML. They offer a suite of AI video editing tools, along with the generative AI video capabilities. 1108. Once you finish signing in, you'll land in the main Runway ML interface. And if you've never heard of it before, it's a creative AI platform that offers a variety of different tools that you can use to generate, edit, and also enhance your multimedia projects, all using machine learning. Let's take a quick look at what some of those tools are. 1130. Over on the left-hand side, let's click into All Tools. Up on top, let's start by clicking into Video Tools. And here we see all the different video tools that leverage AI. First up, we have Generative Session. This is where you could generate video from scratch. You could use AI to remove the background of a video. They have something called Frame Interpolation. 1149. That's where you can fill in missing frames to make it smoother. You could color grade, they even have in painting, and the list goes on and on. Lots of different tools that are well worth experimenting with. Let's close out of this and then click into some of the image tools. You also have a variety of different image tools. For example, if you want to expand the borders of an image, they have something called Infinite Image. 1207. Here you have something called Expand Image, and the list goes on. Up on top, if we close out of this, you also have a variety of different audio tools. And at the very end, they also offer different 3D tools. The beautiful thing about Runway ML is you can experiment with AI in your projects, and you don't need extensive technical expertise. Let's test out Runway's generative session. 1231. I'll click on this. First, we need to select an asset. I'll click on Select Asset, and let's go with this picture of a handsome guy. I'll double-click on that, and now I see my picture. Down below, we can now describe the shot that we would like. I'll type in some text. This person works at a cookie store and is serving fresh cookies to customers. 1250. Down below, we have a variety of different settings. As an example, here you can control the camera. I'll leave it set to the defaults. You can adjust the aspect ratio. Down below, you can select the model and also how long you want the clip to be. With Runway ML, you can only select up to 10 seconds. For now, I'll leave it set to 5, and then let's click on Generate. 1310. On the right, Runway produces the video preview. Here's the input image, and here's the output. The result looks quite similar to the source, down to details like the shirt, which is impressive for a quick test. From here, you can upscale to 4 Kelvin, or download the clip directly to your computer. 1329. And that wraps up our look at the 5 best AI video generators available today. Synthesia, Sora, InVideo AI V3, Pika, and Runway ML, each strong in different ways, from realistic avatars and generative clips to powerful editing tools. 1349. Big thanks to Zapier for sponsoring this video. If you want to automate your AI video workflows, check the link in the description. It's free to get started. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next one.